Hello and welcome to this mini tutorial where we're going to break down and build back up the pronunciation of the word month in English. Now there are two key difficulties that people experience with this word, and by the end of the video hopefully you'll be clear on both of the issues. But first of all, let's look at the script from the dictionary. So here we have it. It's quite a short word. The pronunciation, repeat after me nice and loud, is month. So one syllable, month. Now there's a lot happening given that this is such a small word. We've got two nasal sounds. We've got the m and the n in there. They're perhaps the easier part. However, the difficulties come with the vowel and that lovely th at the end. So let's focus on those. Our vowel is an month. Now, when we look again in a moment at the written form, you'll see it's spelt with an O, and that's the first common error that occurs, is people want to say an O or an O sound, O. So I've heard many people say month, for example, but it's an month, month. So that's the first thing to pay attention to, is your vowel, month, and then the second thing is that th. We need to pop the tongue out between the teeth and have a little air, month. If you're not putting your tongue out far enough, you will either create perhaps a t, a s or a d, depending on what else you're doing with your mouth. So what we don't want to say, for example, is mont or months, which are two of the many ways I've heard this word pronounced. We're going for month. So get that tongue out, month. So coming back to the word, there's that O that often tricks people. Don't overpronounce it. It's just a little month, month. Now, if you are having problems with that th, I'll link some videos below that will help you to work on that. Don't be afraid to experiment with how far you're putting your tongue out. It can be one of the harder sounds, I think, to pronounce in English, but keep going, experiment with your tongue position, get some feedback, maybe record yourself on your phone, and you'll get there. Keep going. If you've got any questions, leave me a comment below. I'm more than happy to help. I hope you found that useful. If you did, go ahead and hit like. Don't forget to leave me a comment, either if you've got questions about this word or if you've got a request for a future video, then leave that below. Thanks for watching and have a lovely day.